So, shall we start? Good morning, friends.
Good morning, sir.
As the Teachers' Day is going to approach just after a day,
Yes, sir.
so how is your preparation?
It's good, sir.
Good. Any question from your side?
Yes, sir. There is a question. I want to ask, sir, what a teacher is. Please explain for us.
Oh, fantastic. This question is really very good, and we must know as a teacher or the person who is serving for the nation, we don't know our proper responsibility. A
Yes,
teacher, the great question, a teacher is one who builds the society through his hard work, through his knowledge, and that knowledge he acquired from different resources. He collects the knowledge, he comes to the classroom and he delivers. And he tries to transform his knowledge 100% to the student. What is the purpose? The purpose is how best the transformation takes place and how the student develop in their personal life. How they become productive, a responsible person for their parents, for the society and for the nation. That's very important. Second thing, if I say what teacher have, a teacher have nothing but a chalk piece or he may have pen. These both the points are very important. Teacher's pen may seem small, but it writes the destiny of generation. This pen, it may be looking very small, but actually when you write on board or paper, it leaves the imprint and it becomes the destiny of the generation together. Now, though the pen looks very ordinary tool in the hand of teacher, but every word they write, every note they prepare, every lesson they design actually has the power to shape students' mind. Because after all, he is putting every effort to put everything in others' mind by winning over their mind it. Until unless a teacher is not able to take a student in a confident, he will not be able to pass his knowledge to the student. So first he is winning over the student, and then whatever knowledge he is having, he is passing to the student. Now, second point, their pen just not mark paper. Their pen is not just marking the paper. Actually, it write the dream, it write the character, and it build the society. Just imagine when we as a teacher value the copy of a student. What we value, how we assess, what is written by a child, and then we put a mark over that with the red pen if there is something wrong. We also make good if something is good. This inspires the student, and this also makes the student to understand what are the mistakes they do. So teacher is one of the most important personality, or teaching is the most important profession to build a nation. Until unless a quality education is not there, a teacher involvement is not only on the book. He tries to make every effort by collecting so many points, and then he tries to put in the mind of a student. The ink may, there is saying, the ink may get fade, but the lesson of teacher's pen will be lifelong, that cannot be deleted. And so, long after the ink has dried, the lesson of teachers continue to guide, to inspire, to motivate, and shape the complete world. So we are the teacher. We have the great to serve the nation. We are just not a simple people. We are the people who make the society, who make our children future, and who make this or play our contribution for the development of nation. So teachers have the biggest role and must not be just wrapped up in simple word. So let's be planning and thinking more to acquire more knowledge so that our student prepared for the better future of our country, better future of our society, and the very important, better future for their parents. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.